Hi guys, welcome to my another video. In this video I am going to teach you the continuation of gravitation that I have taught you in the last class. Okay, next topic is gravitational potential due to solid sphere. Then here is a case. Outside sphere. Here Eg outside is equal to gm by r square. dv is equal to minus e into dr. Therefore integrate on both sides. Integral dv is equal to minus integral e bar into d bar. Therefore integral dv is equal to minus integral edr. We take the limits alpha to r, because here a point P is coming from infinity to infinity to the center of the distance. The point is infinity and the distance between the center of circle and the point is r. So we take the limits as infinity to r. So integral infinity to r dv is equal to minus integral infinity to r edr. Here we infinity to r is equal to minus, we know e is equal to gm by r square. We substitute that integral e in limits infinity to r into gm by r square into dr, and then vr into v alpha is equal to minus gm integral infinity to r 1 by r square dr. We know that 1 by r square is minus 1 by r by a formula 1 by x square is equal to x power 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1. We get like this, and vp is equal to minus gm into 1 minus 1 by x limits all infinity to r, and then we get vp gravitational potential as gm gravitational potential is equal to gm into 1 by r minus 1 by alpha. Then we get vp is equal to minus gm by r. And then on the surface here, distance between point and the center is equal to the radius of the circle. Therefore vg on the surface is equal to minus gm by r. Here we got vp is equal to minus gm by r. In this situation we substitute, we know that r is equal to r, so we substitute here capital R, so we get minus gm by capital R. And then inside the sphere here Eg inside is equal to gm r by r cube. Eg inside according to the gravitation field intensity due to whole sphere, we know that Eg inside is equal to gm r by r cube. Therefore dv is equal to minus edr. Integrate on both sides. Integrate on both sides. So here we take the limits here on the surface to the p. We take the limits s to p. Here the radius of the circle is r, so we take in this place of s as r, and the distance between center and s is r, so we take r, and the distance between point p and center of circle is smaller, so we take smaller, and then we substitute the limits. V into p, s to p is equal to minus capital R to smaller gm r by r cube into dr. Then we solve, and here see, here vp minus vs equal to minus gm by r cube integral capital R to smaller into r into dr. vp minus vs equal to minus gm by r square into r square by 2 limits capital R to smaller. Here vp minus, we know that vs is equal to gm by r, so we substitute that vp minus plus gm by r is equal to minus gm by r cube. Sorry, it is cube here, not square. And then gm by r cube into r square by 2 minus r capital R square by 2, and then vp is equal to minus gm by r cube. We write this as like that only here, and then this will be transposed to this side, and then so we multiply and divide this value with r square by r square, and then we get minus gm. Here keep this value as same here also, and here we get plus gm by r square by r cube, and then if you multiply and add 3 of them, then we get this value here, and then here we multiply and divide this. Here we multiply and divide this value and divide this value by 2 to take common gm by 2 r cube common, and then if we take common we get gm by 2 r cube. If we take common, then we get r square plus 2 r square minus small r square, then we get gm by 2 r cube into 3 capital R square minus small r square, and this is the value of inside the sphere. Inside the sphere here we have a case at center. Here smaller means the radius of sphere is 0, so gravitational potential at center is equal to minus gm by 2 r cube. Here r is 0, so we substitute 0 there, then we get 3 r square minus 0. Therefore vp center is equal to 3 minus 3 by 2 into gm by r, and the graphical representation of gravitational potential due to solid sphere. So gravitational potential is acting towards this side and radius of sphere is acting towards this side. Here it is at the center. Here minus 3 by 2 into gm by r is at the center. The gravitational potential is like this, and it goes on increasing, so that on the surface here r is equal to r. Here r is equal to r. There the gravitational potential is minus gm by r. It goes on increasing outside the circle. Therefore vp is inversely proportional to 1 by r. Okay guys, that's all for today. Thank you for watching this part. Wait for the next part, and don't forget to click the bell icon. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon, and please comment and like.